a new buddy. Where's your new buddy? Come on over here.
She can't find her other baby. She's trying to give it to her. And she can't find her.
Give Kuma the baby.
Good job.
Now, did they crop her tail?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm not very familiar with this breed. Here, Kuma.
She wears a gun.
Yeah, should yes.
Oh, she likes your baby. Look at, she got your baby butt. I don't think she wants the bucket. I think she wants your baby. Yeah, she's giving your baby a hug. She's giving your baby a hug. Gentle, Tiana. She don't want the bucket. She wants the baby. She wants to put the bucket.
It's a hat.
Put it on your
I put it
head.
on my head. Show her how you do it.
No, put it on your head.
Gentle.
Put it on, T.
No, here. Done with the bucket. Give her your baby.
Give me.
Give her the owl.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Give her the baby. The bucket.